guys, Mimi's back. Today we are going to make a number Christmas tree. Okay, so this is fun with kids who are just learning to count, and it's for helping kids putting things in sequence and order, learning how to put their numbers in order, recognizing their numbers, all kinds of things, maybe cutting skills on some of it, all kinds of things. So most of all, you'll need green paper. You can have brown if you want to make a tree trunk, or yellow if you want to make a star. And I've got a few sequins I might glue on there just for decoration. I don't know yet what I want to do. So how I'm going to start is I'm going to take my green paper and glue and a white paper if you want to glue it onto a white paper. Okay. So first I'm going to make my tree. I'm just going to make a big triangle. Okay. I'll show you. Pretty big. So really you could do this also as a puzzle, because I don't know if it'll fit on the white paper, but you can do it as a puzzle on the. So now we're going to make 10 marks. See, here's my tree. Now we're going to make 10 marks, and I'll show you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the bottom one's 10. Let's see, let's make sure we have 10 spots, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they don't have to be the same size, or they don't have to be really straight. Mine were not, but that's okay. Now I'm going to write numbers. I'm going to start at the top of the tree and write numbers 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, I've numbered it 1 through 10. Now I'm going to cut them out. First I'm going to cut the triangle out. That's how I do it. I'm going to cut all the way around the triangle. So this may not fit on a regular piece of paper. You may need a bigger one, so I may not do it on my paper, because I may just show you on the table. And you can keep it as a puzzle too, or put cardstock behind it so it stays stronger, so you can keep it for a puzzle longer, so they can play with it and work on their counting and their numbers, right? So let's see. My bottom line is not the straightest, so I kind of just cut across there. There's my tree. Now I'm going to cut across each line. Do you see what I'm doing now? All right. So there's number 1, 2, 3, and cut slowly or carefully so you do not lose any of your pieces. 4, 5, see, good cutting practice. 6, I'm left-handed. Cutting was hard for me, but I got through it and I learned it. 7, 8, now they have all kinds of things for left-handed people. I love it. 9, and 10. So I have all my pieces here. So now what number do we start with when we count? What's our first number? Right. Number, it's going to be tiny. Our number 1. So I'm going to set this here, and I'm going to set it this way, then I'm going to show you when I pan down on it. Okay, I'm not going to decorate it today because I don't have the paper, but I might do it later. 2. I'm going to line that up and put it underneath the 1. See how I'm doing it? There we go. Ready? What's after 2? 1, 2, 3. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can do lower numbers or bigger numbers. Maybe make smaller cuts and make them longer and make it a bigger tree, thinner lines for older kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm running out of room here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. Oops, I did it backwards. And they'll fit perfectly on each other. They should. So now you ready to see my tree? Our tree that we counted? There he is, 1 through 10. There's the tree. Isn't that neat? And like I said, you can do it as a puzzle. You can mix them up and try it again. Watch. We can decorate it. I'm not very good at drawing stars, but I will try my hardest. We'll make a little star. A little silly-goosey star. You can put sequins on it for the ornaments, or you can leave it the way it is, whatever way you want to do it. Okay? And you can use the star with the puzzle part too. You don't have to glue it. And it can just be part of it, because the star goes where? On the top of the tree. See? I'm going to show you. There's our tree with the star at the top. You ready to count again? Make sure you can see all the numbers. Sorry, it's wobbly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of our tree. Isn't that fun? And it's teaching numbers and sequencing and counting and how to put a puzzle together. So I'm going to keep all my little pieces. Might do that with my grandkids. Mimi's going to sign out for now. I hope you liked that activity, that craft. It was a fun numeracy activity. So I will see you probably tomorrow. I think I'm going to try to do one every day this week, since I didn't do it in the weekend and this is the last week. On Thursday it's Christmas Eve, Friday it's Christmas Day. So I wanted to do some more Christmassy crafts and some more stories, okay, before then. So I will see you tomorrow. And we will read a Christmas story, okay? Bye for now.